to subscribe!
Introducing Eddy the Clever Fox, the smartest little fox in Pororo Village. If you ever have a problem you can't solve on your own, if you ever have a question and you don't know what to do, just turn to Clever Eddy and he'll help you through.
Hello, I'm Eddy the Clever Fox!
Eddy, 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 the clever fox. He's the smartest fox that you'll ever meet. Clever, clever Eddy is our friend. He's the greatest friend that you'll ever have. Eddy, Eddy the clever fox.
Animal puzzles!
It's early in the morning, and the friends are heading to Poby's to play.
Poby, Harry!
We came to play.
Ooh, hi guys.
Come on in! What were you doing? Poby and I just finished an animal puzzle.
Animal puzzle?
Huh? Wow, so cool! They look real.
Thanks.
So, do you know the names of these animals? Names? Well,
I'll tell you their names. The first animal is a sheep. The second one is a zebra. The third one is a hedgehog. And the fourth one is a crocodile.
I want a closer look. Crong! I grabbed it first. Crong! Let go!
Oh dear, they ruined the puzzles. Hey guys, are you all right?
Oh no! Look what happened! We worked hard on them! We're sorry, Harry. How can we fix them?
Don't worry, guys. I'll help you put them back together. Problem! If there's a problem, we'll solve it. If you use your head, there's no problem you can't solve.
That's right!
I'm the smartest fox around. My name is
Eddy!
Okay, let's put the puzzles back together. The first animal is a sheep. Sheep have fluffy white wool. So, out of these 4 pieces, the one that the sheep is missing is the piece with the white wool. The second animal is the zebra. Zebras have black stripes. So, the piece that the zebra is missing is the one with the black stripes. The third animal is the hedgehog. Hedgehogs have thin, pointy quills. So, the piece that the hedgehog is missing is the one with pointy quills. The fourth and last animal is the crocodile. Crocodiles have hard, bumpy skin. So the piece that the crocodile is missing is the one with bumpy, lumpy skin.
Wow!
The puzzles are complete again.
Hey guys, do you want to use these puzzles to play the Find What's Out of Place game?
Find what's out of place? Sounds fun!
Alrighty, it's time to start the game. As the animals come on the screen, all you have to do is say what's out of place. This is a hedgehog. What's out of place?
Wow, it's so cute! The hedgehog's wearing the sheep's wool.
Let's see the answer. You're correct. Instead of fluffy white sheep's wool, hedgehogs have pointy quills. Next, we have a crocodile. What's out of place?
Oh, it's scary! The crocodile has quills like a hedgehog.
Let's see the answer. You're correct! Instead of quills, crocodiles have bumpy, lumpy skin. Good job, everyone! Now, let's review what we learned with a song. It's time for a fun puzzle game!
Yay!
Ba goes the sheep, what does it have?
What does it have? Aha! It has fluffy white wool. Wow, so cute!
Trot, trot goes the zebra, what does it have?
What does it have? Aha! It has black stripes. Wow, so cool!
Roll, roll goes the hedgehog, what does it have?
What does it have? Aha! It has sharp, pointy quills. So fun!
Growl goes the crocodile, what does it have?
What does it have?
Aha! It has lumpy, bumpy skin.
Wow, so fierce!
You all did great!
Goodbye!